Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest videos. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful ideas, beautiful, most demanding crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Good mint section. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, handmade knitting variety, stylish pattern, beautiful designing, handmade knitting variety, very nice. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet scarf free ideas. Most demanding, most wearing, most likely crochet collection. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi, toys, crochet different type of ideas, free pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.